Hey, Mr. Cat, you need to watch where you was going. Oh, I'm sorry. I ain't introduced myself. My name is Benny. I'm new in the neighborhood. Put it there. Well, you know, it's a shame I gotta prove my superiority by beating you up. Nice to meet the new neighbors.
Oh, hey, pal. Just so you know, that cat is my personal punching bag.
Actually, this is my territory now. So the only one beating on that cat is yours truly.
You seem like a nice kid, so I'm gonna let you off with a warning. Either you let that cat alone, or you're gonna have to deal with me, capiche?
It sounds like you're looking for a fight.
Well, maybe I am.
Okay.
Okay, that's a shot.
I'm the top dog in the neighborhood, so I can beat up on this cat as much as I want.
You waiting for me, Mr. Benny?
Yeah, I need more lemonade, and make sure it's extra cold.
Of course, Mr. Benny.
Then put another steak in my dish, will ya? I'm starving.
Yes, Mr. Benny. Right away, Mr. Benny.
Oh, and Spike,
Yes, Mr. Benny.
run me a bath, will ya?
One bath coming up.
Look here, Spike.
Now that I'm not top dog, I gotta do whatever he says. I've got no choice, fellas. It's the canine code.
Hey, guys. Wanna play some tennis?
We don't have a tennis ball.
Game, set, and match. Is there nothing I can't do? All the way between my stinky toes. Now hurry up so I can take a nap. Good enough.
Use tree gotta put that mutt in his place.
We already tried.
You tried the normal way. I gotta learn old Spike to fight the alley cat way. Dirty. Now the first thing you need to learn is the old horseshoe and the boxing glove trick. Ah! Here's another trick I know. It's the old misdirection. Hey, Tom! Is that a tuna truck across the street? Or you can just use your claws and teeth. Like this. Now, you try it.
Hey, is that the world's biggest ball of yarn? Sorry, I'm too much of a dog. I can only fight fair.
Don't give up, Spike. We're all behind you.
Hey, doofus. Get over here and fan me. Can't you see the sun is out? Hey, slow down. You trying to give me a brain freeze or something?
That's it, guys. I've embarrassed everyone. I've embarrassed myself. You won't be hearing from old Spike no